Irang maram oiraga state asigi national highway ani Semgatliba thoudang louriba Contractor Singda Meeyam Athingba Piri haina road transport amasung highways ke Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na phongdokkhre. Wafam asi hauzik chathariba Parliament mifamda Manipuri national highway sing Semgatliba asi hena kumang chawsinaba paikhatnaba kari khongtang lokatliba ge haina Rajya Sabha ge member ningthosana chawbale sembana pukatkiba supplementary question gi paukum aina Minister Nitin Gadkari na phongdokkibane. Manipuri National Highway Singi Matangda Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na hai Manipuri National Highway ani Semgatliba thabak ase mamangdagi paikhatpa hawrabani adubu Manipur gi hauzik oriba law and order gi fibam asina contractor Singda chawna khudong chadaba ama mayoknade hiram masigi matangda Manipur gi chief minister amadi officer sing yauna akhanaba mifam ama pangthoklaba machong kumna khanabasu lekre Manipur gi National Highway ani asida sensitive oiba problem kayamarum amasu thengnade Manipur gi MP sing chief minister amadi state administration gi matengga loinana hauzik leiriba issue sing asi loishinduna National Highway sembagi thabak asi ayet apan yautuna paikhatpe janaba honaminase hauzik ki oina land compensation gi matang dasu chayetnaba khara amasu leide maram aduna state ki maikaidagi mapung fana mating pirabade project sing asi athubada soidana loishinba ngamgani haina Union Minister Nitin Gadkari na makha chana phongdokhe.
Already works are awarded, but we are facing very crucial law and order problem in your state. The people are not allowing the contractors to work. I have a special meeting with your Honorable Chief Minister and your officers. Sir, we are really facing a lot of problems. Some of the cases are there because of law and order situation. There was a lot of crucial and very sensitive problem. I will request you personally, with the cooperation of Honorable Member of Parliament from Manipur and the Chief Minister and the State Administration, let us resolve the issue and allow us to work. And before that, we will take preventive measure that how we can maintain the road. But one thing where I need your cooperation, that how we can implement the contract, because contractors are facing big losses and therefore we are facing problem of compensation. So by your cooperation and the cooperation of administration, state administration, we will resolve the issue. Please cooperate us. We are very much committed to complete this project.
Amarom dangasi chathakiba Parliament bifam atuda MP ningthosana chawbale sembana Manipur National Highway ani matangda supplementary question oina pukhatladuna hai National Highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur lambi amade National Highway number 37 Imphal Jiribam lambi sembagi thabak ase adugi matik tape Highway ani asigi fibam yamna sokchin kiduna puning nungsiningai oiba fibam de leide National Highway ani asi Semgatliba thabak hena kumang chawsina paikhatnaba amade athuba matamda highway ani asigi fibam phagatnaba road transport amasung highways ke Union Minister na kari khongtang lukutkadage haina MP ningthosana chawbale sembana house of khatke.
Sir, the ongoing construction works along the two national highways, that is National Highway 2 Imphal Dimapur Road and the National Highway 37 Imphal Jiribam Road are very slow, and the present condition of the two national highways are pathetically bad. Sir, what step will be taken up by the ministry to expedite the ongoing construction work and improve the two national highways at the earliest? Thank you, sir.